If you're using DVD discs, what I'm going to show you right now is how to rip video off of them. We're on AOAmedia.com, and the thing I'm going to download is free. It's AOA DVD Ripper. So you just go there, you hit the download button, and it's going to come down automatically. The free version only allows you to rip 10-minute clips at a time, but if you're ripping video for YouTube, that's actually perfect for you. So I'm just going to wait here and wait for the program to download, and I'm going to stop the video right now, and I'm going to join you again once it's time to install it. Alright, the Ripper has finished downloading, so we see it right here in my downloads area. I'm going to click it. It's asking me if I want to download it, if I want to run it. I'm doing all of that. You have to go and click allow. And just some simple steps. If you've ever downloaded anything, I know you're rolling your eyes right now because this is all just very, very basic stuff. Going through all of it, installing the program. Alright, all done. I'm going to pause again, and in the next little segment, we're going to actually use the program. Okay, now we're going to use the DVD Ripper, and I have the program here right now. It's open in front of me, and the first thing you need to do is on the particular DVD disc that you're working with, you need to go and identify the exact times of the start point and the end point of the video clip that you want to rip. So if you have a particular DVD, you may have an hour of video on it, and you have, say, 10 or 15 videos, particular videos on that DVD that you want to rip off. What you need to do is write down the times of the start and stop times of each individual clip. You undoubtedly are going to have some dead space before and after every clip, or you will have outtakes that you obviously do not want to rip. So again, you need specific start and stop times because this Ripper will rip the video segment in an exact clip, meaning that once the video segment is ripped, you can throw it right onto YouTube. No other editing will be necessary. For using the Ripper right now, I have a particular video segment that I want to rip. I know the times already, so I'm going to go and I'm going to start using it. First thing you do is you hit the Load DVD button in the top left, and you should already have the particular DVD that you're using in your computer. Right, my computer froze for a minute now. It's thinking about it. Alright, actually I screwed up. Here we go. It's giving me two options here. I clicked import from DVD disk, and here we go right there. There's my DVD video, DVD drive, DVD video. Alright, I'm gonna hit OK. And here we go. It's showing me that there's 3 segments on this DVD of different lengths. Now, the particular clip that I want to rip is right there in the beginning of the video. I know exactly where it is. So I'm going to go and click that segment. And now what I want to do is I want to take a clip. I don't want to use the entire segment. If you did happen to shoot a video and it was perfect, meaning that you started and stopped it at exactly the right times, then you could load the entire movie. But for my purposes, I'm not going to do that. So I clicked one of these 3 videos, and now I'm clicking movie clip. And what it's going to ask me next, it's going to ask me which segments I want to rip. So now we have the hours, minutes, and seconds areas here. So I'm starting at 3 seconds, and I want to rip all the way to 1 minute and 53 seconds. So I selected all of it. I hit OK. It's all set, and I'm hitting start. It's asking me if I want to order. I obviously do not want to. I want to use the free version. Okay, it's my first time using it, so it's asking me for some configuration data. how I want the video to come out, and I'm going to use all of their default data here for now. I know in the past I have customized some of the data. In the past, I've actually had to customize the size of the viewer at the end. I did that on my other computer, but since you saw me here download the video ripper for the first time, I may have to customize it here as well. So this is a short clip. Hopefully it'll download fairly quickly, and we'll be able to take a look at the finished product and decide whether or not we need to customize the size of the download after it's done. Alright, so I don't think there's any need for you to wait around and watch all of this. I'm going to pause the video one more time and start up again once the ripping is finished. Okay, so so far you've seen everything that goes into using the DVD ripper. I've showed you how to download it. You've seen how to take a particular clip off of a DVD that you have. What you'll notice is that once the DVD rips, the program will automatically create a new folder for you called DVD Movie. So since you've seen me go through the entire process of downloading the program, this is the very first video that they've put in this folder for me. But any future videos that I download, that I rip off of my DVDs, will all be put in this folder for me, and the location of the folder is here. So it's a really cool program because it does all this work for you. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the video that I ripped. I'm putting it on mute. It's moving a little slow because I'm going to pause it too. It's moving a little slow because I have a lot of programs running right now on the computer, but you see that it came out pretty good, and it looks like it's a little too wide. It looks like it got distorted a little bit, and that might be because of the problem I was telling you about before, about the output sizing. Remember when it asked me for that info on that little output field that we saw? That might be where the mistake was made, because this does look a little bit too wide. And I know that from my other computers, when I've used this program, I've always had to fix the sizing. So what you may need to do is just go to YouTube and take a quick look at their sizing ratio. They have a particular ratio of length to width that they use for sizing, and then when you see that field on your DVD ripper, or we can just go into settings. Here we go, and yeah, and we can do it right here: resolution, height, and width. So that's something you're going to have to do on your own. Just go and take a look at the aspect ratio of the height to width that YouTube uses, and you can just put that in here, and that should be fine. What you may want to do is even use the biggest aspect ratio that YouTube allows, and just enter it there. Alright, so that's how to use this program top to bottom. As you can see, it's very, very easy. Good luck with it.